So here it is, June 21st, 48 degrees, with a low tonight of 37. So now we have to figure out how to frost care. I don't even know what you would call it, but to make sure that we get no frost on our garden for the next 2 nights. Is supposed to be extremely cold in the middle of June. We don't, whatever. But here's a quick look at our garden. We haven't showed a lot because I'm behind on editing my videos. I have a lot to edit, so we're working on that. You will see more of the update soon, but we figured we'd do this real quick and show you what we're dealing with. But here's all of our plants that I have planted right now. I still have a lot in the under the grow lights until we get another bed in here, which I have one more bed to go, and then we have some more of the grow bags, and I have my green stalk I gotta do, so that should take care of everything, hopefully. But here it is.
Are your roses okay, or?
Roses should be okay because I think they're dying anyways. On my strawberry plants, my cucumbers did not make it from the last cold, so I've got to plant those and take them out and put some new stuff in. My poblanos are going to go in the house. These are my jalapeno plants and my other little grow bags. My tomato plant I'm trying to bring back to life. Green pepper, red peppers, yellow peppers, orange peppers. So I've got to figure out how to get all of these covered so they don't freeze tonight, because I do have some little, hi Beam, I do have some little green peppers growing. Aren't they cute? So
Mom, we're working here.
this is my job for right now, so we'll set you up and let you watch what we're gonna do. Shouldn't take too long, hopefully, and then we're gonna leave this. We'll uncover it tomorrow if the sun comes out, but
Give me one.
if you can look, there's no sun.
She's putting it in there for a little bit. We gotta spread them out a little bit more, baby.
Okay, I think we've got it battened down as much as we can with the stuff we have at hand, because we still aren't living here full time. I just had extra sheets laying around. So we have them sheet covered as much as possible to keep the frost off of it. So hopefully my plants will survive for another day, because there's a lot of peppers. So here we go. I'll do an update after.